That 2 COVID-19 vaccines have been approved, the concern of whether or not people are confident in taking them grows. For some African Americans, it's been an ongoing debate on what to trust and what not to trust. Our Alexis Wainwright spoke with local doctors and community members about this and explains where all these concerns are coming from.
We've seen the coronavirus negatively affect minority communities, and as we move closer to that vaccine being available to the general public, there's a question about who is willing to take it. There's a lot of distrust, especially with the Black community.
I'm not getting it. My kid not getting it.
As 2 COVID-19 vaccines give a sense of hope to some, not everyone is convinced just yet. Malinka Tatum is just one of the many who is willing to speak publicly about this. She says she wants to see long-term data, especially since this vaccine was made so quickly.
My mama always told us we are nobody's lab rats.
Dr. Goree with UAMS says there's a long history of mistrust when it comes to the medical community and African Americans.
Underrepresented communities have a history with medical fields that hasn't always been positive.
It's the history of unethical practices that leaves the community concerned.
They were used for medical experimentation. And right the way through up even into the 20th century, when you can look, I think probably the most famous is going to be the Tuskegee syphilis experiment.
During the Tuskegee syphilis experiment, American Public Health Service researchers studied 400 Black men who already had syphilis and were never told they were sick or treated for it. Dr. Hoskins says African Americans were told they get free health care, and that simply wasn't the case.
They were used as guinea pigs.
Despite the past, experts say the vaccine is safe. Earlier this month, Surgeon General Jerome Adams, a Black man, took it himself. There is hope that we can build trust within the community before the vaccine is available for the general public. Health officials encourage anyone with questions or concerns to call a healthcare worker that they trust. Reporting in Little Rock, Alexis Wainwright, back to you.